Heck yes. Guess what? We're going to the Super Celebration in Townsend, Tennessee, but we're gonna do a taco review as soon as my little brother gets out of the truck. What took you so long?
I haven't had the ability to be on my phone for the past 4 hours like you have, so I got text messages I can catch up on.
We're in Seymour, Indiana, I think. Is that where we're at?
Yeah, we're right off the interstate too.
Yeah.
By about 5 miles.
We're at Puerto Vallarta, Mexican restaurant. And let me tell you, I went to ChatGPT and said, show me some taco places in Seymour, Indiana, and there was like 500 of them.
We passed 499 of them to get here too.
Apparently, Kris is in a pretty crappy mood, so I'm gonna take him for tacos and see if I can warm his belly. Yo, 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 here we go. So I found that you can tell a lot about a Mexican restaurant by the menu. We're at Puerto Vallarta.
Usually the best way to find out about a Mexican restaurant is by reading what food they have.
Shot it. You got a lot of good tequila back there. Yeah? So Christopher, this is a segment I like to call the first chip.
Yeah, I'm not doing that.
Yeah. Apparently that's a spicy one that we started with. Kind of tastes coriander. This is the regular salsa. It's, you know, there's a theme at these Mexican restaurants. It all tastes pretty similar, very tomato-based, very predictable. I really like this one. It's got the right amount of heat.
But it's not salsa consistency. It's like a sauce.
You know, Kris calls it a marinade. I call it love juice. What did I just say? Obviously, Kris is in a great mood today. Mr. Gotta be about business.
He needs some love juice.
I'm good.
Well, I have a big
Like
one.
an experience.
He's proud of it. He likes it. Now, when we were kids, Kris and I used to fight over this because Kris used to like to put it in his hair. Yeah. He used to like just putting it right up like this. Yeah, come on, hold still. Hold.
You're gonna be eating it here in a second.
Oh, okay.
With serranos, tomatoes.
I knew it.
Cilantro.
I knew it. There are serranos in here. I love the serrano pepper, and there is some right in there. Kris, how about you?
I'm not getting in there.
Okay. I'm not getting in there. Your jokes are almost as good as this margarita.
The salsa must be pretty good too. Or that, or Kris is just hungry.
I'm fucking starving.
He's sweating good.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
That smells good. Yes.
That's her.
Extra onions. Not onions.
Extra. Yeah, he's a funny guy.
Extra.
He's funny. Man. All right, which one are you eating first?
I am doing carnita.
Easy for you to say. He's got carnitas, I've got chicken. You know what, I'm gonna start with the carnitas. This has a different type of tortilla. There is a tortilla maker here in town that supplies a lot of Mexican restaurants. Wow. That's good. Okay. Al Pastor taco. You guys know this is my favorite, and I've seen a wide variety of different Pastor tacos in the last couple months doing these taco reviews. Let's see what this one's all about. A lot of cinnamon. It's very sweet. It's the first time I picked it up on my nose, and the first bite is the first flavor I got. That is like really good.
Did you get Pastor? Mm-hmm. They good? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Pastor is really good.
Oh my goodness.
All right, off the chorizo, my favorite. We're gonna see if this is store-bought or homemade. I'll say it's homemade. Well, I put my nose up to it. The first thing I smelled was cinnamon. And then when I bit into it, the first thing I tasted was cinnamon.
Amigo. The El Pastor. Yeah. It has a little cinnamon in it, doesn't it?
No.
No.
No cinnamon. No. It's called achote.
Achote?
Achiote.
Yeah, achote.
Yeah.
That's kind of gives a little
paste,
sweet to
yeah.
it. Yeah, to it.
And that has cinnamon in it.
It might have cinnamon.
See?
It might have cinnamon in it.
So he's saying there's still a chance. I'm trying the chicken. It doesn't have cinnamon in it. Sometimes I get talking and I forget that there's a taco I haven't tried yet. And this got cold and it kind of hardened. It's dry. It's dry.
Do you need another one? Another tequila or same?
No more mucho tequila.
No más tequila?
No mas.
No mas, yeah.
No mas.
You're feeling good now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, it's my birthday tomorrow, so this is my birthday margarita.
Oh, it's your birthday?
Oh my, oh. Whoa. Oh. Wow, the Puerto Vallarta Express.
Yeah.
Ooh.
You want to grab the line, mate?
Oh man. What? This is a sombrero. This is a heavy one. Macha.
Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños a ti. Feliz cumpleaños, Charrito. Que los cumplas feliz. ¡Bravo!
Wait a minute.
I didn't sign up for that.
That was worth it.
No.
I wish you let me do it.
For the record, the Al Pastor tacos, it does have cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Yes. I told you, muchacho.
I never said it didn't. I just said it'd be funny if it didn't.
I'm gonna need a shower and set my nose. It's in my nostril.
Glass azul shot for you, my friend.
Dude, you guys are awesome. I mean, that's the kind of stuff that happens when you're at a taco review with this guy. Thank you to the guys at Puerto Vallarta Mexican restaurant here in Seymour, Indiana. These guys rock. This has been a 10 out of 10 experience. Time for the tequila.
Whoa.
You know, that's just too good to drink fast. So we're gonna do the second one. So this is, so what is this?
It's called like a mini beer because it kind of looks like a beer.
Bonsai.
Bonsai.
And konnichiwa.
That's a little dessert right there.
That is fantastic too. And I'm taking this airplane home with me. Holy cow, that was a lot of fun. Kris, now it's time to rank these guys. What do you think?
So I'm gonna say that out of the three, my favorite was the carnitas, and I'd say it's an 8.5. The other two are probably an 8. The beans were 9 though. Those were killer beans.
Today, 10 out of 10 experience. Now, I'm gonna rank my favorite taco, the El Pastor. I'm going with a 9.3. Guess what? If you put cinnamon and pineapple in tacos, I'm probably gonna like it. And you know what? They smushed cream on me, and I had Clase Azul for my birthday, and I've had a lot of fun. So if you're ever coming through Seymour, Indiana, Puerto Vallarta, Mexican restaurant, stop there. These guys are a blast.
10 out of 10
Now,
experience.
We gotta go to the Super Celebration Townsend, Tennessee. We're out of here.
6
See you
hours.
later.